Alright guys, it's Chad from Midnight Protective Films, and today we have a new project and it's my car. This matte dynamic line by KPMF has to go. It's been on for 7 months and we have a replacement for it. And it's matte military green, also by KPMF. This is not gonna be the only changes on the car. Also, I am going to powder coat the wheels in gloss white, and I'm also gonna change the accents, what you see, the center stripes and the lower door stripes also in gloss white. Okay guys, this is the stock height of the GT3. I think it fits very, very well, but in my opinion, it can be a little bit lower. We're gonna get the wheels off and we're gonna adjust the suspension and see what kind of results we're gonna come up with.
Frequency.
These two bolts removed.
Oh.
There we go.
Woo.
There we go.
It's a carbon fiber.
Doesn't look like a 911 anymore. Well, we gotta take the wing off.
Oh,
And it will not
is this
look
the
like
trunk?
a 911. We'll find out.
C2, A9, 5N,
So
S2.
what we're trying to do right now, we're trying to see how much this piece costs. We have a bet right now. We don't know what the bet is. Okay?
Hell, I'm on the phone.
But we want to see how much this piece costs.
I need, it's right under the wing. I have a part number for you. It's right above the taillight and right under the wing. My stupid son took a knife to it, so I gotta replace it.
That guy is not taking us serious anymore. We just want to get the damn price for this part number. Oh, what's a bet? What's a bet? What are we betting? 100 bucks?
100 bucks.
100 bucks?
100
What?
push-ups.
To the closest? 100 push-ups?
My number?
Yeah.
It's 1,500.
That's too close to
close
Chad's.
me. What are you talking about? No.
Well, if it's the piece I'm thinking of, it's $602.77. I have to order it.
Okay,
Then
$600.
make sure he's right.
Yeah, $602.77.
Well, that's a steal. I didn't expect it to be that low. I'm gonna talk it over with my wife and see what we're gonna do, and then I can come in.
I did not expect to be that low.
I swear.
I had no clue. Like I said, 1,400 was on the low end. I had no idea it was gonna be 650 bucks.
Wow.
612.
$612. We're gonna find out how much this wing costs. He's calling right now and seeing how much it costs. I said it's gonna cost 6,700. Wing. How much? 5,000. Fahad said 5,000 too. So 4,900, 5,000. What did you say? Andrew?
35.
3,500. What did he say?
3,400.
3,400. He had to be like so close.
I know he has
So
to be.
we're gonna find out.
saying 10K easy.
No way.
It has the swan neck.
Well, is this like?
The plane and both brackets.
Yes.
Alright, because it's on correct. Brackets are $900 each. The main spoiler is $7,330.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Okay.
Everybody.
7,000! 7,000! 7,000 for the spoiler. And the brackets, this one, 900 bucks a piece.
Jeez.
What was my price? 6,700. I was so close.
Wow.
I know it was just a guess. Honestly, it was just a guess.
You still
I
want
don't know what
to?
the
You still want to
price
sit on it?
I think so.
is. Are you guys gonna sit on it?
Hell no.
So the wheels are off, and not just that, look at the car. The car is blue right now. The wrap wasn't removed. I got that green removed. I already had a plan, and I have another color that's planned to be installed on top of the blue. It's a matte military green, but holy cow, look at this blue. This blue is absolutely beautiful, and I think I'm gonna keep the blue for a few weeks till I actually do the matte military green, which is right here. This is what the green looks like. It looks beautiful, and my initial plan was to do matte military green with white wheels, but right now I think I'm gonna still stick to the white wheels, but I'm gonna put them on the blue paint because I love it. I'm just gonna keep it for a few weeks, and then I'll do the matte military green right after that. Okay, when it comes to the suspensions, this is the first time I do it. I've never done it in the past, and it looks very straightforward. There is this ring right here that has to be dropped all the way down, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drop it all the way down, and then the one above it, I'll slowly drop it all the way down as well, and then tighten the bottom with the top. That's what I need to do. But I think I'm gonna be facing some issues, and it's in the back. The back is not as accessible as the front, and hopefully I don't face any problems. From what you can see, the threads are all the way far back down here, and also I need to get the wrenches by this area. It's pretty far down here. I have to drop the bottom one first, and then the upper ones right after that. I might have to reach from this area. Hopefully I don't have to remove other parts in order for me to get the wrenches behind this and lower the suspension. I'm gonna start with the process. Wish me some luck.
Frequency.
All right, so what we're doing right now, we're getting the wheels cleaned up. They're already clean because they're pretty much, we're just powder coated. We're getting them cleaned up, and then we're gonna get them ceramic coated, and the tire is gonna get scrubbed. I like the black looking tire. I don't like the brownish, you know, hazy faded tire. So Renee right there, he's scrubbing the tires, and also the wheels are gonna get cleaned up right afterwards, and then gonna get ceramic coated, and we're gonna put them on the car.
Frequency.
Alright guys, so this is what we have going on. I got the wheels in white, and also I put the white on top of the factory decal that I have in here with satin black GT3. I did the whole thing while I was live on TikTok. But somebody said why I don't do the checker flag just like the GT3 RS to continue the rest of this decal. And he immediately caught my attention and I said, that might look really good. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do this one right now. We're gonna continue this with checker flag and we'll see how it turned out. Let's go. All right, guys, we are done. And again, the car is not matte military green because the moment that matte dynamic line was removed, I saw the blue and I'm like, there is no way I'm gonna do that matte military green. But here's the thing, I'm gonna keep this one for a while until I put that one right after because the roll is sitting right there. It's waiting for me to be installed, but I'll do it at some point. I just wanna enjoy this look for some time. Let me walk you through what I actually did to the car. The blue was all cleaned up. There was a lot of residue. All that got cleaned up. We did the Porsche stripe in gloss white, and also we have to represent the brand Midnight. We have it right here on the windshield. What you can see right here, the wheels are powder coated in white. Also, we lowered the suspensions, the front to the max, and also the rear to the max. I thought I was gonna be facing some issues with the rear suspensions. It wasn't that bad. They're all dropped down. And I definitely had to get the wheels ceramic coated because that's the only way to drive a car is with ceramic coated wheels, so to get the dust off of them. Let's go back here. We got the same thing, the Porsche stripe, we got that one done in gloss white. What you can see right there, the GT3 was covered in satin black. And this was based on the suggestion that I received from the live stream on TikTok. Someone said, why I don't do this like the GT3 RS, the 997, the checker flag. And that guy gave me the perfect idea. I love this so much. And I think this is probably one of the best parts I added to the car. Let's not forget, we got the mirror caps done in gloss white, and also we got the winglets done in gloss white. So far, that's all I have to do to the car. There is nothing I need to add on top until I get the car wrapped in matte military green. Please give us a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.